Before the sun rises fully, before the noise of the world begins, I came to speak to your spirit. You, who have faced storms. You, who have fought through silent battles. You, who have tried and prayed and waited. Hear this. You will not fail. This is not a wish. It is a word from the one who never lies. It is a decree from the throne of grace. The Lord who began this journey with you will not abandon you halfway. Psalm 37 says, "Though he fall, he shall not be utterly cast down, for the Lord upholds him with his hand." Failure is not the end. It's just the ground God uses to teach your feet to stand. Some of you have been standing at the edge of discouragement, asking quietly, "Lord, will I ever rise again?" And heaven answers, "You will not fail." Because the hand that holds you is stronger than the weight that tries to pull you down. Because your story was written before your first mistake. Because your name is engraved upon his palm. Father, in the stillness of this morning, I lift this soul before you. The one who feels weary, yet still believes. The one who has sown in tears, yet continues to hope. The one who has walked through valleys, and still lifts their eyes to the hills. Today, Lord, remind them, you are the author and the finisher. Let every whisper of failure be silenced. Let every closed door that mocked their faith become an altar of new beginnings. Lord, breathe fresh courage. Restore their strength. Awaken that quiet fire within them that says, "I can rise again." Let every voice that said they would not become silent witnesses of your glory. In this new morning, I decree, you will not fail. You will not lose your place. You will not lose your peace. You will not lose your destiny. Because the same God who called you is still walking beside you. Now speak this softly over yourself. I am upheld by the hand of God. I will rise where others fell. I am not forgotten. I am not forsaken. The Lord goes before me. The Lord stands behind me. The Lord covers me on every side. My steps are ordered. My path is blessed. My season is not over. My help comes from the Lord. I will not fail. Say it again. I will not fail. Let it sink into your bones. Let it echo in your heart until fear bows. Let it rise in your spirit until courage returns. Now, as you go out today, walk with quiet confidence. Even if things don't look like victory yet, remember, the word has gone ahead of you. The light of this new morning is not ordinary light. It is a reminder that God is not done with you. The sun rises again, and so will you. You will not fail. You will not faint. You will finish well in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. If this prayer touched your heart, whisper Amen in the comments. And if you believe this word, and type it now, I will not fail. May your day be filled with peace, stillness, and divine strength. Until we meet again, stay soaked in His presence.